Tankless water heater retrofits in new home construction give homeowners on-demand hot water and can cut long-term energy use when planned and installed correctly. Choose a unit size to your peak simultaneous flow by adding fixture flows and allowing for a small buffer so the heater can meet demand without short cycling. For electric units, confirm your electrical service can supply the startup and continuous amps and upgrade the panel or service if needed. For gas units, calculate required gas BTU and confirm pipe size and meter capacity and plan for proper venting and combustion air to meet manufacturer requirements. Place units near the largest demand points or use point-of-use units to reduce wait times and minimize wasted water. If fixtures are spread out, plan a dedicated hot water distribution layout and consider short runs or trunk and branch with insulated lines. Add a recirculation loop when instant hot water is desired and choose a pump with adjustable speed or on-demand controls to balance comfort with energy and pump wear. Include a dedicated return line or use a properly sized crossover valve to avoid stressing the tankless unit with frequent low-flow bypass. In areas with hard water, plan a descaling maintenance schedule based on local water hardness and install a simple water softener or periodic chemical flush kit so heat exchangers do not lose efficiency or fail prematurely. Follow manufacturer instructions for minimum flow rates and maintenance intervals, and document startup procedures, gas pressure checks, and electrical verifications so future service is straightforward. Finally, coordinate with plumbing, gas, and electrical trades early on to confirm clearances, vent paths, and combustion air locations so the retrofit integrates cleanly into the new construction timeline. 3 common mistakes are undersizing the unit, which causes poor hot water delivery and cycling issues, locating the unit far from primary fixtures, which creates long waits and wasted water, and neglecting hard water protection, which leads to scaling and reduced life. To fix undersizing, recalculate expected peak flow, including appliance diversity, and choose a slightly higher capacity model or install multiple units in parallel. To address location problems, reroute supply lines or add a point-of-use unit and insulate lines to maintain temperature while minimizing wait time. For hard water, add a softener or commit to a regular descaling maintenance plan and follow the manufacturer recommended flush procedure to preserve performance. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options for tankless water heater retrofits while giving contractors a place to win new work. We have an active discussion community where homeowners and pros share real-world tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.